Dad let me give him a manicure. Look, his nails are dirty too. It's gonna be fun. Gonna be fun. These are the tools I started out with. I've got a couple cuticle pushers, and then I have some really neat hooks and things that can really get up under nails. I learned about these from the Meticulous Manicurist. They're actually for feet, but I actually really like them for nails as well, especially if you have a hard time getting stuff out from under your nails. We're going to use jojoba oil. I just picked this one up off of Amazon, and I will link all this stuff below for you. And then my favorite lotion comes from a local company called Candles and Cream. Please check them out. They're not vegan friendly, unfortunately, but if that's not an issue for you, the lotion is fantastic to die for. Check it out. We're also going to use isopropyl alcohol. And if you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate it. I'm always trying to grow it and get more views, so please do that if you have not. We're going to go through and clean everything with alcohol first. Now let me tell you, I have soaked all my tools in alcohol, and I am not a professional nail tech. This is not professional techniques. Do not take this as professional advice. This is just me. I'm a hobbyist. I've never claimed to be a nail tech, but for some reason, people seem to keep thinking that I'm a professional nail tech, even though I've never claimed it on my channel. So I'm not a professional. Look, my dad and I have the same pinky nails. Look at that. How funny is that? So I cleaned everything with alcohol. And then I'm just going to go through with one of these little toe hooks. And let me tell you, these are fantastic on toes, especially if your toes have any kind of curves in them that are kind of sharp, or any ingrown toenails and you need to get under there to clean stuff out. They're fantastic for that. Go check out the Meticulous Manicurist. Some of the toe videos are really gross, like she'll work on stuff with fungus and things, but they're so informational and so educational. They're definitely worth checking out, especially if you are a nail tech or new to being a nail tech or in school. They're fantastic educational videos. Now this little tool here that has the ridges on it, it's very good at kind of catching that skin on the back of the nail. That is something that I don't like to have on there. If it tends to grow out on the back of my nails, eventually it'll kind of break loose and then it peels. And then I have all this skin behind my nail peeling off. It's not from acetone or anything like that. As much as I do nail art and as much as I change things, I very rarely actually put acetone on my hands. So it's definitely from that skin kind of sticking to the nail as it grows out and then popping loose. So if you can get that off of there, try to. I mean, it's my opinion. I like it. I think it helps make the maintenance easier and keeps my skin from getting peely and raw and all that yucky stuff. His pinkies were kind of stuck too, so I had to scrape that away quite a bit. And you do have to be kind of gentle with that one. It's pretty rough tool, but nice and neat and cleaned out nails. Then we're going to go through and push back cuticles. And Dad, inquiring minds want to know, are you still cleaning out from under your nails with a pocket knife? I have lots of memories from childhood of Dad sitting on the chair watching TV cleaning out from under his nails with a pocket knife. That's a southern man for you. So we're pushing back these cuticles and they were really in good shape. I was very surprised at how nice my dad's hands were. So good job, Dad. They were very soft. Anyway, he did have some cuticle that was sticking to the actual nail here, so I'm not doing like a Russian manicure and cutting back anything. I'm not cutting the hyponychium or any of that stuff. I'm just getting that dead cuticle up off the nail plate. Then we're going to file them all a little bit shorter. Some were longer than others, that kind of stuff. And he had a couple spots that had really sticky cuticle on there that just didn't want to come off. I try not to use chemical removers if I don't have to, because my hands already struggle with being dry. But if you take a buffing block and just kind of barely buff over it, a lot of times it's enough to kind of knock that cuticle loose off the nail. And then you can either trim it or it just comes right off. And then we go through again and just put alcohol on everything again. Make sure it's all clean and sanitized. It also helps you know if you nicked anybody, because they'll go, ow, that's burning, where the alcohol got in. We are going to finish them up with the cuticle oil, just directly on the nail, massage it in. It feels nice. Take your time. It's a good self-care thing to do. Do it 20 times a day. It won't hurt anything. And it'll keep your nails in great shape. They look beautiful and it'll keep the skin nice too. And I got to practice what I preach because I've been a slacker lately. And then I'm going to go in with that lotion. It takes very little lotion. You really should check out that shop if you're in the market for some new lotion. It's nice. And looky there. Everything looks nice. I know his index finger looks like it's still dirty. It's not. It's just a little bit of the cuticle oil under his nail. But looks great. Dad, you've been doing a great job taking care of your nails. I had a lot of fun filming this with you. And if you've been around for a while, you know my dad likes to talk. So y'all shoot him a message below. Say hi. He really likes chatting with you. I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.